Hi, Lee from Cabots, and I'm here to show you just how easy it is to give your deck a quick refresh that restores the look of timber fast, so quickly in fact, it can be our little secret. For this we need our Cabot's EasyDeck applicator and a bottle of Cabot's EasyDeck maintenance coat. Check. Before you start, check the condition of your existing coating to ensure it's not flaking. This product is designed for application over existing water-based coatings that are in good condition. If you notice any of the 4 signs of deck damage, it's time for a protective recoat with Cabot's AquaDeck. Otherwise, brush and blow the deck to remove any debris such as leaves, twigs or dirt. Stains such as bird poo and grease should be spot cleaned, although small amounts of dirt and dust can remain and will be picked up by the applicator pad included with your EasyDeck applicator. Once your surface is ready for coating, take a clean applicator pad and slide it over the semi-detachable applicator base. One will be included in your EasyDeck applicator, and additional applicator pads can be purchased separately. Then close the latch and lock the base back into place. Placing it on the ground for easy assembly, insert the pole into the applicator body and twist the collar clockwise until the pole is securely attached. Now take your Cabot's EasyDeck maintenance coat bottle and shake for 1 minute with the bottle cap attached. If the bottle is empty, shake the refill bottle sold separately for 1 minute and pour the liquid into the applicator bottle. Replace the bottle cap with the dispensing nozzle cap and screw it on tightly. Place the bottle inside the applicator and press down firmly. Now that the EasyDeck applicator is ready for use, place it on your deck and squeeze the applicator handle 5 to 6 times. Lift the applicator up to confirm the liquid is dripping through the pad onto the deck. Ensure the applicator pad is saturated enough by moving it over a small area of decking. Stop squeezing it once it leaves a light, even coating. If you have squeezed it too much, refrain from squeezing any further and continue coating until you spread the excess. Apply along the length of a board, squeezing the applicator handle as needed to ensure the proper application of the coating and the glide of the applicator. Sometimes when using the applicator, you may notice foam is formed on the top around the applicator pad. This is normal and will not impact the final finish. If you ever get stuck, be sure to scan the QR code on the applicator to view our handy instruction guide. Coat the entire surface and allow to dry for 40 minutes before heavy traffic returns to your deck. Now that your deck is looking great, remove the bottle from the applicator and replace the dispensing nozzle cap with the bottle cap. Rinse the dispensing nozzle cap until the valve is clean and the water runs completely clear. Remove the applicator pad and leave to soak, then rinse under running water until the water runs clear. This will ensure the mechanism stays free of dried coating and avoid possible blocking next use. Let components dry thoroughly before storing them in a covered area. Enjoy entertaining outdoors and be ready for those spontaneous drop-ins from family and friends with Cabot's EasyDeck, the fast, no mess deck refresher.